FUOOTECH FT-FL series large flow lube oil flushing and filtration system. Collect the power cord. Turn on the main power switch. Yellow and green display indicating the phase sequence is correct. Turn on the power switch. Boot screen. Click the arrow to enter the main running interface. Connect the oil filling hose to the buffer oil tank. Open the oil filling valve. Click Start to start up the oil filling pump. The oil filling will automatically stop when the high level is reached. Or click Stop manually. Collect the oil inlet to the waste oil tank or oil system which needs flushing. Oil passes through the coarse filter to remove large impurities. The flushing pump pumps the oil into the heating system. After the oil is heated up to setting temperature, if it doesn't need to be filtered by other filter elements, open this straightaway valve. Close the top valve. Oil will be discharged directly from the oil outlet. When needed to remove particles by the filters, close this straightaway valve. Open the top valve. After the primary filter removes the large particles, or into the secondary filter to remove the tiny particles. When no need oil, enter the fan filter. Close the switching valve B and switching valve C. The oil will be discharged after the secondary filter, filtering by oil outlet. When needed, the fan filter to remove more impurities. Close this bypass valve. Open the switching valve B and the switching valve C. Oil will be discharged after the fan filter filtering. An overflow valve is installed on the top of the buffer oil tank. Collect one hose to the oil tank. When the oil level in the tank is too high, the oil will be discharged through this hose. When internal circulation filtration of the oil tank and equipment is required, open this circulation valve. Close the oil inlet valve. Start the equipment for internal circulation operation. After confirming all valves are opened and closed correctly, operate by the touch screen. Click Start Oil Flushing. Click the setting icon to enter the setting interface to set the relevant parameters. Set the heating temperature. Set the VFD. Click the main interface to return. After the equipment has been running normally for about 10 minutes, click heater switch. Green indicates the heating status.